Hello guys! Busy yung aking friend harvest vegetable. Pang dinner namin ito guys. Ayan o, ang dami niya nang nakuha. Fresh na fresh yan. Vitamin yan is betchin, Ajinomoto. Ang dami.
Brazilian beef.
Ang dami
Spinach.
dito guys. Oh, what is this called?
Brazilian
Spinach. Yan, ang dami na. Oh, Brazilian spinach. Marami pa dun sa likod. Ay, just now you had this one. Just now you take a lot behind, right?
A lot.
So, ito yun guys, yung aming tanim dito. Ayan. Yeah. Mag 2 o'clock na ngayon. 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Tapos meron din kangkong. Oh. Regular this one good for sinigang. Sinigang. Yes, mo dah. To papaya I transfer there.
This one can transfer. If this one fall, then change new.
Ito guys yung kanyang ginagawa. Ang dami.